The Financial Investigations Division has secured a multi-million-dollar settlement linked to a drug trafficking case in Manchester. The FID says it has recovered $1.5 million in cash and seized a 2013 Toyota Corolla Axio as part of asset recovery proceedings tied to the matter prosecuted 2 years ago. The case stems from July 25, 2024, when police intercepted the vehicle in Hatfield, Manchester. A search reportedly uncovered ganja and 2 concealed packages marked NASA containing substances resembling cocaine. The driver, Marlon Davis, was later convicted in the Manchester Parish Court on multiple offences under the Dangerous Drugs Act. He was fined more than $600,000 and received a 2-year suspended sentence. Following the criminal case, the FID pursued forfeiture under the Proceeds of Crime Act, assessing the criminal benefit at $5.1 million. Under the settlement, Davis agreed to pay $1.5 million to the Accountant General, surrender the vehicle to the FID, and clear the remaining $98,000 loan balance plus interest.